Welcome back to the AEC video series on AEC settings. In this part here, we're going to cover the last part of the global tab: subscription plans, shopping cart, and payment processors. Under subscription plans, you can set the root group to be displayed when the AEC plans page is displayed without telling it where to go. By default, that is usually set to root 1. If you would like to show another root group as the default when no other parameter is set telling it which group to go to, you can actually choose which one that you want to send it to. You can look at the groups video for a better explanation of what groups do and how they are set up. But by default, root number 1 is the default group. Shopping cart, if you decide to use the shopping cart logic flow and logic flow separately, you can always enable the shopping cart to yes. And that will be the default of AEC to use the shopping cart. Please remember, if you decide to use the shopping cart logic flow, please take the time to look at the video and choose that logic flow and read the FAQ involved with using that, because users must be registered and logged in order to use the shopping cart. You can overwrite the behavior of each plan to whether it uses direct checkout or the shopping cart also. When a person clicks on continue shopping, if you don't want to take them to the standard AEC plans page but to a different page when using the shopping cart, you can enter in the URL for that custom continue shopping link here. Stay on page is a behavior when someone adds an item to the cart, whether they stay on the page where they added it or they go directly to the cart. The default is they go directly to the cart. If you would rather have them stay on the page, you can set that to yes. Under payment processors, under the gateway descriptions, you can choose when a person clicks on an item that they're not allowed to see when they're logged in, and AEC says, hey, a certain membership is required. You can show the different options and gateways that you offer payment and subscriptions through by highlighting the different ones that you want to show. Also, under standard currency, please set your standard currency to what you actually want it to be. This is what AEC will use if currencies are not set somewhere else, like as in the processor. That covers the global tab settings for AEC. In the next one, we will be covering the customized tab in AEC settings. Thank you.